Your first day at the gym is scary. Here are things that you need to do on your first day. Number one is have a gym induction day. Typically, that is a half-an-hour session with a gym instructor who is going to give you a tour around the gym, because to feel comfortable in an environment and to ease those nerves, you need to understand the layout of the territory and you need to understand what you're working with. So a gym instructor, they will show you where the toilet facilities are, where the shower facilities are, they will show you the different areas, so strength, cardio, the functional area. They will show you how to use different machines. That's what they're there for, so use them. Now, if you don't know what a strength area is, or what a cardio area is, or what to do in a functional area, that's even more reason for you to speak to gym instructors and have an induction day, because they will teach you what each of those areas are for. What you need to do is prepare a list of questions. So if you have a particular fitness goal, for example, be able to run 5K, or if you want to lose some weight, or if you want to grow some muscle, go into the gym induction day with that in mind. So then you can ask the gym instructor, which machine should I use for this particular goal? And then they can teach you something that is relevant for you, because there's no point in them showing you how to use a treadmill if you have no intention of running. So make sure you use that time wisely. Now, another really good place for you to start on your first day is gym classes. Now, a lot of people can think, oh, I don't want to do a gym class, because they think they're going to be in a room full of people who know what they're doing and they're going to be in the middle and everyone's going to see that they don't know what they're doing. Wrong. What you need to do is to beat that bit of gym anxiety, get to the gym class early so that you can find a space at the back of the room. At the back of the room, no one can see you and you can hide. Now, gym classes are a really good place to start, because the gym instructor will teach you how to perform different exercises. So they will say, stand feet, shoulder width apart, shoulders back, chest up, because if you're a new starter, you're not necessarily going to know how to do them correctly, and safety is important. You don't want to injure yourself, so they're a really good place to start to learn how to perform exercises safely so that you protect yourself. In addition to that, you will learn different types of exercises you never even thought about, exercises you've never even heard of. Instead of just going in and doing the regular push-ups and squats, you will learn how to target different muscle groups with different types of exercises. And through that, you will learn what you enjoy and what you don't enjoy. And with that knowledge, you can then create your own exercise program, something that you can stick to and maintain, because you have experience, you know how to do it, and you know that you're going to enjoy it. When you first start a gym, it's all about building up that initial confidence. And confidence comes with experience, confidence comes with familiarity. So speak to those gym staff, make sure that you're using them and you're speaking to them, feeling more comfortable, you're learning different exercises. That's what they're there for. And before you know it, you'll be walking into that gym with pride, with your head held high, with not a single care in the world. If you found this helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you have any advice yourself for new starters in the gym, please comment. This is a friendly community. Let's help each other grow. Please subscribe to my channel, because it will help other people see this video and help them build the confidence to join a gym.